Signage has rapidly evolved over the recent years, from static paperboards to dazzling digital displays. But now we stand on the edge of a revolution: interactive digital signage. Did you know in 2021, the market value of digital signage hit $23.5 billion, and it's projected to soar to an astonishing $45.94 billion by 2030. With this massive growth, it's no surprise that new trends are emerging, focusing on one key element: multi-level interactivity. Interactive digital signage isn't just a display. It's a dynamic tool that transforms passive viewers into active participants. Studies show that interactive content can enhance engagement and recall by up to 83%. But that's not all. Dwell time, or the amount of time customers spend engaging with a brand, increases by a staggering 81%. This shows how much power lies in engagement-driven experiences. Imagine this. Instead of just walking by a screen, viewers are drawn in by the opportunity to engage, whether it's through touch, voice commands, or even motion gestures. They aren't just watching a brand, they're experiencing it. The impact of interactive digital signage is already reshaping the customer experience across many industries. In today's retail environment, consumers demand more personalized and efficient shopping experiences. With interactive signage, customers can browse products, check availability, and even customize items right at a kiosk. For instance, Nike stores allow shoppers to customize shoes in real time, creating a personalized, engaging shopping experience. The traditional classroom is being transformed. Digital interactive screens are providing students with more immersive learning experiences, enabling them to interact with visual models, explore new concepts, and collaborate more efficiently. Imagine a history lesson where students can zoom into ancient ruins or access multimedia resources with a simple touch. In hospitals and clinics, interactive signage is simplifying processes like patient check-ins, reducing wait times, and improving patient flow. Facilities are using interactive kiosks to help visitors find their way through large campuses, making the experience smoother and less stressful. Airports, train and bus stations are using interactive digital signage to provide real-time updates on arrivals, delays, and weather conditions. In many cases, passengers can check in or receive personalized travel information through these kiosks. These real-world examples highlight the adaptability and versatility of interactive digital signage. For businesses, the benefits of interactive digital signage are immense. Not only does it create a richer customer experience, but it also offers valuable insights through data analytics. Imagine knowing exactly how many people interacted with your display, what they clicked on, and for how long. This information can drive future marketing strategies, helping brands fine-tune their messaging and improve customer service. Moreover, interactive signage allows businesses to adapt on the fly, whether it's updating promotional content, changing product displays, or adjusting to seasonal trends. Companies can make real-time adjustments that keep them responsive and relevant. Here at Yodeck, we understand the importance of staying ahead in this evolving industry. That's why we're committed to being at the forefront of these technologies, helping you leverage these advancements for more dynamic and engaging digital signage content. Our platform offers easy-to-use tools that allow you to create and manage interactive displays, ensuring your audience has the best experience possible. The future of digital signage is interactive, and it's clear that businesses who embrace this trend will not only capture attention, but create lasting impressions. Whatever industry you're in, the opportunities are limitless. Visit yodeck.com to create your account today.